What is going on, guys? Today is a special video. We are heading to Speedzone right now, right after work, to go pick up the parts. If you watched the last video, this is a major part for the TSX. This is like must-have mod, top mod you need it for the TSX. So let's stop dilly-dallying and let's go pick this up before they close. Happy holidays, guys. So when you see this, it's probably been Thanksgiving already, whatever. So happy Thanksgiving to you and your family, and holidays or whatever you like to celebrate. If you don't, you know, whatever, just enjoy your time. I farted. I need a poop. Holy crap, that stinks. Y'all know the vibes, the typical route, nice beautiful palm trees, long ass strip, and just straight and go. We're on our way to Speedzone, be there in like 30 minutes. Man, I really gotta replace a wheel bearing or something, man. It feels like dog shit. We also got some parts in from Rock Auto and some more things still coming, I believe. So yeah, we got some things to do. You feel me? So stay tuned for all the progress and parts and updates and everything. Red lights, man. You could take naps at these shits. Man. And we have arrived. You already know. There's Billy.
Yay!
I did illegal things having my lights off. Oh, we all posted up. I'm gonna have to take a quick flick. Posted up. We got Billy's CRV and Jesus's CW2. His nice TSX wagon. Always looking good. Same fucking height. Well, his is actually lower. Never mind. I ain't gonna play him. He's lower than me. Hey, 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 hey.
What's up, my dude? How you doing?
Yo.
Merry Christmas.
Sheesh. Man, fun size now. This shit different.
I know, right?
when he sent me the picture, I'm like, yo.
They're going with that new style starting next year.
Yeah, I just had the image of like the prior box. So when I see that, I'm like, what is going on here? Hey, yo, these guys are too sweet, man.
Yeah.
Treating me too good. Appreciate it, man. Both of y'all. Flashpro. So this is the new rendition that they're coming out for the TSXs and everything else going forward for 2024, which is super convenient and much better. No cable, no wire. You just plug it in and you just keep it there and it's chilling. So yeah, you just hide it. No wire mess, no nothing. Got your port for the laptop and everything. So super sick, super cool, super exciting.
Oh yeah.
Shout out to these guys. Speedzone, Tampa, Nebraska Ave, Florida. Good morning, y'all. Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
From us both. This is the day after we bought the Flashpro. Got home. It was already kind of late, like 9 o'clock or something, because we did some stops. By the time we got home, it was late. We settled down and did a little pre-prepping for today and the whole cooking scenario.
Our turkey.
Yeah, got the turkey all. We just came from Sprouts. Because obviously we know we're some last-minute shoppers as well. Forgot some things.
We got
and
pie.
we had to make sure we got some pie and vanilla ice cream, you know? Alright guys, welcome back. So here we have the new Hondata Flashpro and the old one that you guys know and love. With all this cable and wiring mess, as you can tell, it's all tangled up. This is the new revision for 2024. This is always something that I thought they were gonna have up and coming or in a direction, which they finally did. It's all compact on this little dongle thing, you know. You could just leave it there, set it and forget it kind of thing, and always have it plugged in. Read all your stuff from your phone and whatnot because their app. It's all hidden and whatnot versus this. You tucked into your door card and whatnot. You're opening the door, just wire mess. It's just not as sleek and hidden. If you know, you know. So they work just the same. You know, I don't believe they have a different function to my knowledge. I tried to search it up, but this is just the Hondata Flashpro Mini that they came out with. and same function, just way more compact, sleek, and hidden, you know. So this still works. This is for my white TSX. It still made it to that one, so unfortunately I couldn't use it for this one. Everything's apart, so I couldn't do it. Trust me, I tried. I failed. So we got this. So again, shout out to my homies at Speedzone, Jesus and Billy, always hooking me up, always showing love, vice versa. License plate cover, I was meaning to get something like this, and now this Hondata Flashpro, which I'm super happy is this newer revision. At first I was a little concerned when they sent me a picture. I was like, you sure that's the right one, man? That it looks a little different. This is for the ACURA TSX. This is new to me, so super cool. Shout out to Hondata. This is always something that I thought they're gonna come out with, and it's super cool. What we're gonna be doing with the TSX is obviously doing the reflash, because we have a couple bolt-ons like the exhaust, the intake. Still got to do the header situation, so we don't got the whole shebang. We're also gonna be doing a little bit of crackle pop tune, you know, because we did it in the past with the white TSX and things got a little bit loud. You guys were kind of fucking with it and always asking how to do it. So as you guys know, you could obviously set 2 tunes on it. So, you know, the program, then you program to hold the data log and let go and, you know, whatever. So you have 2 tunes on it. So I'm gonna have the regular, reflash, chill, whatever, and then the crackle tune on the other one. Have some fun. But we're also going to be doing some comparing from stock to reflash. And I also kind of want to start diving deeper into a little bit of tuning aspects. As I said, this is the top mod for the ACURA TSX. You need a reflash. New 2024, what they're coming out with. Super compact, sleek. Let me actually open it up finally.
Thanks.
And boom. Here we have it, guys. I opened it a little earlier because I obviously registered it and whatnot, and I still haven't made it to this TSX, which I'm gonna do after this. Yeah, there we have it for that. We got some stickies. Obviously they come with the 2 Hondata stickers as usual, decals. Shout out to Speedzone and Hondata. There you have it, folks. Thank you, Speedzone, again. You guys rock. Go check them out. Links are down in the description, as always. Alright guys, so to mate this to your car and do this whole Hondata thing, you need to get your laptop, your Windows. You also could get a Mac and use like some sort of software or whatnot and transition it into Windows kind of software. You get your laptop, which this one is pretty old and it's kind of getting a little beat. We need to upgrade eventually. So you want to make sure your Honda software is downloaded and up to date, and everything should be good, and we're gonna mess with it. But that's all gonna be for further videos. As you see, my floor is dirty. We have a dongle plugged in here, and you guys can see how sleek and kind of hidden it is. It almost just seems like it's supposed to be there. It's like, you know, engine code reader scanner, which in a sense it is. It really is. Clears engine codes and reads codes. Here we have it. It shows that it's unlocked. It's connected to ECU, OBD2. Everything's checked off, drivers, everything. So all that is checked off and good, but now we have to lock it and made it to this ECU. We go over here to online, lock to vehicle. Obviously selling your vehicle. If you sell your vehicle, the Flashpro must be unlocked before you sell it. Hondata cannot unlock the Flashpro after you sell the vehicle. If your vehicle or ECU is damaged, if either your vehicle or ECU is damaged, then Honda will need both Flashpro and ECU in order to make any repairs and or unlock the Flashpro from the ECU. So there you have it. So it's lock it, locking, and it locked. So now here at the bottom, as you guys can see, it shows that it's locked and loaded. And then have some fun, but that's going to be on some later videos, but you guys are going to see it very shortly. So this video is getting posted Friday, which is tomorrow. Today is Thursday, Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving. I'm thankful for all of you guys for watching all these videos and supporting and showing love to the grind, and all your motivation, all your comments, all your support. You guys mean the world, and keep this going. Let me know down in the comments what you guys want to see, what makes you watch these videos, what you don't like watching about this channel, so I can improve on, because I could take criticism, man. We're always trying to improve, do better. That's all we're trying to do, growth and progress and keep leveling up. Anywho, you come to Flashpro calibrations. Here's tune 1, tune 2, you know, primary, secondary, upload. You upload it to which one you want to do. Put the first tune on, you just hit program. I think you hold program or something, then let go. The second one, you hold program, data log, you let go of program, and then you let go of data log, and then loads the second tune. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe down below for later videos, which is coming real soon. We upload 2 videos a week, so we are consistent and videos are always getting posted. So let me know what you guys want and need and what you're interested in. We got 2 TSXs. It's a process, so if you guys like that kind of content, let me know. I can show more in depth. With that being said, thank you guys for watching the video. I'm so thankful for all you guys for supporting. Hopefully you guys have a great holidays, great turkey day. Drop a thumbs up, it helps the algorithm. Road to 10K subscribers, almost at 7K though.
I never take a day off, work around the clock, my engineer getting paid off. Rock like Ace up, like the weed and take off.